Basically, you know how Cornhub you should join. Yeah, if you still haven't joined, here's like three more reasons why you should join. Third reason one, corn tastes good. Not really. If you haven't tasted corn, you have no life, 'cause corn tastes really great. Tastes like food, but better. It's like yellow food. Because you know how food tastes good. Some food tastes good. Imagine your favorite food may make it better. Because your favorite food's corn. And corn tastes better every day. Because it tastes good. Yeah. Reason two is because corn's yellow. Corn is yellow, and you know what? It's good because yellow stands for yellowness, and the color yellow means that it tastes good and it's better because you know how yellow, like gold. You know, gold costs a lot of money because it's yellow, and that means corn is valuable and costs a lot of money and really cool because it's yellow. Reason three is because uh, you should join. Reason three is because if you join, you'll give you a gift card, free gift card giveaway here. Yeah, totally. By gift card, I mean you get you'll get nothing. Cause why would I give you $20? Um, but we'll give you this certificate. It's special. It's from the legendary posse of corn. You know that episode? Yeah, it's really cool. If you join, you'll get this $20. Yeah, and